5 benefits of hosting an outdoor wedding. Outdoor weddings offer a variety of benefits that can make your big day even more special. From the natural scenery to the added space and intimacy, here are 5 reasons to consider hosting your wedding outdoors. Number 1. Natural scenery. First, the natural scenery of an outdoor venue can provide a beautiful backdrop for your wedding. The fresh greenery, natural lighting, and well-kept landscapes of outdoor venues can't be beat. You can even choose a venue that matches the theme or aesthetic of your wedding, like Crooked Oaks. Number 2. More space. Another benefit of hosting your wedding outdoors is the added space it provides. Outdoor venues are often more spacious and versatile than indoor locations, allowing you to set up separate areas for your ceremony and reception, or have an area for guests to step away from the festivities without leaving the venue. Additionally, being outdoors and having more space can help relieve anxiety in the post-pandemic world and allow guests to spread out comfortably. Number 3. More intimate and personal. An outdoor wedding also allows for added intimacy and personalization. Being surrounded by nature, family, and friends can create a more intimate atmosphere. You can also use the blank space of the outdoors as a personal canvas to show your personality through photographs, mementos, and other meaningful items. Number 4. Money saving. In addition to the added beauty and intimacy, hosting an outdoor wedding can also save you money. The natural scenery can provide a beautiful backdrop, meaning less decor is needed and reducing the amount of money spent on decorations. Outdoor locations with beautiful views allow nature's beauty to do the work for you. Number 5. Kid-friendly. Finally, outdoor weddings can be more kid-friendly. Outdoor venues give little guests space to roam during and after the ceremony and even provide the option to add outdoor games for the reception to keep the little ones entertained. Cornhole, bubble blowing, or even a craft station are all fun options. So consider hosting an outdoor wedding for your special day and enjoy all these benefits. Thank you for watching.